So in front of me I've got Sony SRS-XE200. In this video I'll show you how to check software update and software version. In the beginning, let's go to Music Center, and as you can see right here, we've got the notification that speaker update is available. Go to more info, and right here we've got latest version of the speaker, and we can download it from this menu. If you want to check your current version, go to Settings and System. Here is the current version of the software. To update the software, press OK. Then charge the speaker. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.